Hello everyone. Hope you all are good. Today, in this video we are gonna speed up Windows 11 for free without any software. Open Control Panel. In Search Bar, search Power option. In Power Options, select High Performance Mode. This will increase your performance. Next, clear the temporary files. To delete that, press Windows plus R. Search temp. Delete all the files. Next, press Windows plus R. Search %temp% and delete all the files. This will clear all the temporary files in your system. Next, to disable unwanted apps from startup, open Task Manager. Select Startup Apps. Now disable whatever you will not need. This will speed up your performance and boot time. Next, open Start. Search Advanced System Properties. In Performance, click Settings. Now select the option, Adjust for Best Performance. Click Apply and click OK. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.